Did you know that Amazon actually has a free Kindle reading app available for iPhone, Android, PC, Mac, and just about any type of device you can imagine? We're going to talk about that in today's video. Stay tuned. What's up? It's Dale here, and I just want to let you know, if you stick around to the very end, I'm actually going to hook you up with 60 days free of Kindle Unlimited. So then you can download your free Kindle reading app and get 60 days free of Kindle Unlimited, which gives you millions upon millions of titles to choose from. Back in 2007, Kindle came onto the market, and it came roaring in. And, back then, you saw probably thousands of ebooks coming onto the market, but you fast forward to about 2018, over 6 million ebooks are in the US alone.
Wow, that is a lot of freaking books.
But not many people realize this. You do not need this, a Kindle. You don't need a Kindle. Heck, you don't even need to have an Amazon Fire. You don't need to have anything fancy like an Oasis. All you need is the Kindle reading app, and you can actually do it on your iPhone or Android or on your PC or even on your Mac. It doesn't matter what you can use this to. I see so many people that confuse. They're like,
wait, I don't have a Kindle. I can't read your ebook.
Yeah, you can. The Kindle reading apps are free. So all you got to do is you set up an account with Amazon. So that's just a given. If you've got an Amazon account, it's going to be pretty simple. Go visit the Apple App Store or Google Play App Store. Download the Amazon Kindle app. Open it. Then sign in with your Amazon account. Now enjoy. No mobile device? Ha, no problem. On PC or Mac, you can access Kindle books two ways. On the desktop app. Okay, so there's going to be a link inside the description down below for that. So all you got to do is just access that through there. Or the Kindle Cloud Reader. So the Kindle Cloud Reader, all you got to do is go to read.amazon.com or your region-specific domain. So if you're in the UK, it would be read.amazon.co.uk, so on and so forth. All you got to do is sign in and enjoy. You can just go ahead and start reading your books. Hey, so I told you I was going to hook you up with 60 days free of Kindle Unlimited. Believe it or not, I actually have a link down inside the description. You're probably like, oh man, I sat through all those few minutes to go ahead and hear you bloviate about all this stuff. Well, good news, I'm going to reward you for sitting it on out. You can go on down there, click on that, and get 60 days free immediately. Hey, in the meantime, believe it or not, actually I talked about Kindle Unlimited, so you don't know what Kindle Unlimited is. It's over inside this video that I discuss it just a little bit more here, where I talk about some of the pros and cons and why I really love having Kindle Unlimited. And if you already saw this video, then YouTube says you should check out this one. Choose one of these, either one of them. Either way, I'll see you in either one.